Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. Again, sorry about the stopped up nose. It's not really a stopped up nose, it's draining down my throat and making me cough. Back to this. It's a surprise to me. It's a Bondcraftor package that I just got in. So, let's oh, let me check that my paper didn't get ripped or whatever, but it didn't. Bondcraftor UV Resin. Fast curing, clear epoxy resin hard top for jewelry making, craft, and DIY. Oh, I'm speechless. Oh my goodness, I'm totally. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bondcraftor UV Resin Instructions. It's the hard type. Alright, I'll read all that in just a minute. Okay. This product is high performance ultraviolet curing adhesive designed for fast and efficient and precise bonding, sealing, and coating operations. Adopting advanced photosensitive resin formula, it can be cured quickly by UV irradiation without heat or waiting for a long time to dry naturally, and can be used for making all kinds of small handmade jewelry. Okay, product features fast curing, high strength, high transparency, low shrinkage, environmental protection, and non-toxic. Curing time in different situations. LED light, 3 to 4 minutes. UV light, 2 to 4 minutes. Sunny day, 2 to 4 minutes. Cloudy day, 10 to 15 minutes. Directions for use. UV resin can achieve better curing results by using UV lamp. It is recommended to be used on small handicrafts such as earrings, rings, pendants, and so on. The thickness and additives of your project directly affect the curing effect and curing time. Make sure the container is clean and dust-free before use. Please wear gloves to prevent the resin touching your skin. Easy to use. Pour it slowly to avoid bubbles. If bubbles form, pick it out with a toothpick. Adding color powder or so sorry. Or pearlescent powder will block UV rays from entering the UV resin. Be sure to use a small amount or it will result in non-drying. Okay, thank you so much to Bondcraftor. I will definitely be putting these to use, and we'll try something really fun. Like I said, if I can get over this nightmare, I'm usually the one elbowing my husband to get him to stop snoring. He just said last night I was buzzing. Okay, this is the 300-gram kit. Bondcraftor UV resin. If I could finish talking this last little bit. Again, I want to thank you to Bondcraftor. I will get to the review of this right away. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I'll leave the link to Bondcraftor and stuff down below. I've got an Amazon shop as well. I'll leave that link below. Again, thank y'all so much to Bondcraftor. Like, share, and subscribe. The video is free. Bye for now.